all, my name is Aarya. I am 9 years old. On the great occasion of Earth Day, I am going to tell you 10 interesting facts about our planet Earth. Number 1, Earth is not flat, but it's not perfect round either. Number 2, Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. Number 3, Earth's gravity is uneven too. Number 4, Earth is terrestrial planet. Number 5, the driest place on Earth sits close to biggest body of water. Number 6, human may wake differently depending on where they stand. Number 7, melting glaciers have an impact on Earth. Number 8, the deepest point on the ocean floor is 36,200 feet below sea level. Number 9, the Earth's lowest point not covered by ocean is 8,382 feet below sea level. Number 10, Earth is approximately 93 million miles away from the Sun. With this, I have an interesting thing to show you I made. This is Earth hanging dry. Thank you so much for watching.